there is much more to it, Mr. Speaker. Because, Mr. Speaker, in the past, previous speakers, and in particular Speaker J.B. Muturi, has ruled when faced with similar situations, where there have been a raft, very many amendment proposals to a bill. He has ruled that the winnowing exercise be undertaken before the committee of the whole can commence. But he has even gone further, Mr. Speaker. If you go to Article 118 of the Constitution, Article 118 of the Constitution, Mr. Speaker, imposes a duty on this House, without reading it, imposes a duty on this House to undertake proper public participation on any bill before it can be dispensed with, or before it can be processed. Mr. Speaker, the upshot of this, and again this is buttressed by Standing Order 127.3, which I will read. 127.3, Mr. Speaker, and I seek members' indulgence. 127.3, the department committee to which a bill is committed shall facilitate public participation on the bill through an appropriate mechanism, including B, holding public hearings and many other things. The Speaker, going by the number of amendments being proposed, firstly by the Committee on Finance, and secondly by various other members and chairs of other committees, it would appear that the character of this bill is likely to change in a comprehensive manner, Mr. Speaker. And we are likely to be transacting business on matters which the public have not been given an opportunity to make their contribution. In other words, on a matter on which the public has not participated, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to just give two examples of bills which had not only been referred back to the Committee for Harmonization, which is winnowing, but actually were ordered to be republished by the Honorable Speaker J.B. Muturi. So, Speaker, one such bill is the gaming bill as number 35 of 2019. The second bill is the Universities Amendment Bill of 2021. In those two instances, in respect of those two bills, Speaker Muturi, having assessed the enormity of the proposed amendments and the likelihood of them changing fundamentally the character of the original bill, and bearing in mind the requirements and the dictates of Article 118 of the Constitution on public participation, buttressed by Standing Order 127.3, did direct that the bills not only be harmonized but actually be republished before the House could transact them. Mr. Speaker, in the same vein, I want to plead with you, because 30th of June is still too far away, Mr. Speaker. The House can find a mechanism of navigating through this process, but we cannot circumvent a very cardinal process, a very cardinal principle in the Constitution of Kenya 2010, which is public participation under Article 118, Mr. Speaker, by simply rushing through this process. Mr. Speaker,